Hello, what's up? I hope you all are doing good. आज एक नया दिन इस साथ में आई सो लाइक आज का शेड्यूल आई एम ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. थोड़ा काम था एंड ऑल सो वो निपटा रही हूँ. तो थोड़ा
I am working on a Diwali collection for a brand. So yes, उसके ऊपर sketching चल रहा है. And then I'll be showing this collection from scratch. Like fabric लेने से लेके उसका making and everything. I hope you all are liking my videos and if like possible do like, subscribe and share it with everyone you know. And yes, chalo get in the video.
He is very basic.
Yeah. So the strings are arranged in such a way that from the thin string to the thick string, they all go bassier as they go or thicker, right? And as the strings are thinner, so as you can tell, there are two strings which are the exact same note. Which are the two strings? The first and the last. But they both are in E note. But one is the bass E, and one.
That basic though.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I promise you, see, by the end of today's class, I want that you guys should know all the notes in music, and it should be a fun experience, not that it's going to be work, right?
I just came across this class. It was a trial class from Instagram. तो मैंने सोचा why not try मार लेते. मुझे पसंद है गिटार प्ले करना एंड ऑल दैट. बचपन में सीखा था, उसके बाद कभी नहीं किया है. तो आई वाज लाइक लेट्स ट्राई इट. इफ आई लाइक इट आई कैन जॉइन देम.
Doesn't happen like that, right? It's fine if the other strings get pressed, you know. Right, so this is the thinnest string, and that's the thickest string we have. That's E, B, G, D, A, E, and that's every boy goes downstairs after eating.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Quite a fun class. मतलब when I used to study in my childhood, that time the theory and the way to teach was very different. अभी it is so quick. यार जो इसको आता भी नहीं है, they can easily pick it up. We had already started playing, and ये भी हो सकता है कि they are teaching it really well. So if anyone interested, you can comment down, then I can help you all with it.
So rather than banana pancakes, I'm actually going to play Better Together. Better Together is also a song from the same album, right? It's Jack Johnson, that's the name of the guy. And we start this thing, we see that it through.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, and then you see this needle. If you put a camera a little down, there's this needle. And when I put this lever down, that's when the needle drops. Let me just start the phone mode before I do that. That mode. So we keep on the mode which activates the vinyl. On 80, let's go. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
This vinyl, if you see it in the light, right?
Yeah.
You see it has these grooves.
Yeah.
And these are all different songs. So
Oh.
that's your first song that started from here. What's the name of the second song? It's Never Know, right? So if I just simply put the vinyl here, Never Know, right? And
Oh, you have to place that needle
you
there.
place the needle there, and you sort of, so the needle, the lever's on top, so the needle won't hit. But then I look at this, and then I go, it's an andaza, it's like sort of an
अच्छा.
andaza. और फिर उसको मैं नीचे करूँगा. That Better Together just got over that vibration you put there. Okay.
It has to go up.
It has to go up. That's a needle
Hi.
that's damaged. It's a very delicate needle, right? And now if I put it down. The third song, Banana Pancakes. We started a little early on. I went a little ahead.
Timing is everything.
Inside you can have like 5 to 6 songs.
Okay.
Also depends on the length of the song, right?
Okay.
Sometimes an album will only have 3 on each side. There's a side A. If I stop this, and if I stop this, and if I flip it, it's going on side B.
Oh, like
That's the
cassette.
side B, basically. That you pull out. Almost.
Yeah, it is moving a bit.
Oh.
There you go. That's
Oh.
Fancy.
basically. That's the idea.
Yes, Mike and you usually singing inside the auto. And I stalked his Instagram page last.
Oh, you did?
Yes, I did.
Phil, what did you explore?
Not like that, but I was very much interested.
Just to like secure
No.
the discount, you can like
His name is Satyavan Gite.
Oh,
Spell your name though.
Jinsi, J-I.
you all like have like more time.
Yeah, Jinsi Paul. Yeah, high five.
Where your Balu? Okay.
So that's why we're having okay. What about weekends then? We go for French class.
എന്താ ഇതിവണ?
Sneha.
Starman. David.
Yeah, H.
This was their music wall where they have all recommended some music. Girl, what did you order?
I ordered for shawarma and because you don't like fried, it is steamed. And because I like fried, so it is fried.
Okay.
Sorry. It didn't come out well. जिसने ने अपनी स्कूटी ठीक कराई है and
अलग लेवल का फीलिंग अभी लग रहा है यार. सीरियसली द बेस्ट फीलिंग एवर आई गेस. इतनी अच्छी स्मूथ मक्खन.
but the butt pain of the person sitting behind is the same.
So change your butt. It's your butt.
Now that is very expensive. You are expensive.
वेंडा.
मुझसे
मत बोल. तो आज हम गए थे गिटार ट्रायल क्लास के लिए जो था चेंबूर पे, विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी सीन द वीडियो.
1/2. ठीक है.
നീ അത് കീറിട്ട് എനിക്ക് തന്നോടല്ലേ?
Perspective.
ओ ये लिखा, अभी पता चला डी ये लिखा तूने. हाँ, सो एक मिनट, एक बाइट लेते, पानी आ रहा हूँ मैं. I think even you all enjoyed seeing the video class था. It was in Chembur. इनका ब्रांच,
Nice.
इनका
Not the
ब्रांच
shawarma, but the class. Continue.
ब्रांच उनका बांद्रा में भी. क्या नाम क्या है? सॉरी,
Adagio.
72.
72. I think it's the username.
Adagio. So it was good. They were even teaching us guitar and
Ukulele if you wish to.
thank you. Class rates भी ठीक है. Ajita, if you want, if anyone wants to join, I guess you should
Visit.
I will recommend you all. यार दुनिया इतनी छोटी, जहाँ देखो लेफ्ट या राइट एवरीवेयर मल्लूस.
All over the place.
ये भी देख सकते हो. You can come here. It's in Chandivli. Royal Tandoori Momos. Have jamming sessions and all that. So I guess we are going to participate for that also on Thursday. So yep, ये था आज का कहानी मेरे साथ. चलो फिर, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड डू सब्सक्राइब. एक और मोमोज आ रहा है, मोमोज दिखाने, रुक जाओ, मोमोज भी दिखाऊंगी. Okay, तो हमारा मोमोज आ गया. So this is our momos. So this is yum, fried, boiled, अच्छा steamed. Sauces, all spicy, non-spicy, and mix. करना पड़ेगा. That's it for the day. I hope you all enjoyed. Music. ये हेलमेट नहीं निकलेगा, मेरे को खुद को weird लग रहा है देख के. I know आपको भी लग रहा होगा. No worries. चलो, see you all
Next video.
next video. Till then, subscribe, like and comment. Bye. बुक्खड़ खा रही है.